Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Dan Free of the Mortgage Update. And today I'm going to do a walkthrough of Credit Sesame. Most of you have probably heard of Credit Karma, but I bet you haven't heard of Credit Sesame. I like it better. I personally use it, and I'm going to show you why. So stay tuned. Hopefully you like the videos that I do. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Also down below in the comments, leave some comments. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what videos you might want to see. Again, I'm a mortgage broker in the Chicagoland area. Love to help you if I can. I'm only licensed in Illinois, but I can also help find you referrals in areas that you might live in. So I get calls daily from Atlanta, Detroit, New York. I just had one from Hollywood, California the other day. Places like that. The people see my videos, they're seeking help, and I've been more than happy to help. So let's get to it. The website is creditsesame.com, and that's what you want to go to. And so what will happen is you create an account. It's free. There's no cost to it. There's no catch. So it's absolutely free. It doesn't even ask you for a credit card. So don't worry about that part. Also, it doesn't create a hard pull on your credit report. So you don't have to worry about you creating an account here and your credit score is going down. So what will happen is you'll go in and you'll sign up. You'll log in, and the first thing that'll come up, it'll give you a score. So right here is basically what they call this is a Vantage score. You can see it here, TransUnion Vantage score. It is not your FICO. So this score isn't a credit score that lenders use. Lenders and insurance companies and credit card companies and mortgage companies, everybody uses what's called FICO. So, but this system is basically a good educational system, and it gives you a snapshot of what your credit looks like. So what we'll go through is, this is a client who's given me access to their account and has okayed me to publish this, because it really doesn't give you any of their name and information and their social security numbers and things like that. But it'll go through. This person was seeking some help. They didn't know what their credit scores were, so I was like, you know what? Let's do this. It's a free system and it doesn't affect your credit. So what will happen is it'll populate and give you some different credit scores here. You'll see it rates you from A, think if you're going to school, A through an F. So in this person, they have a payment history of a D. They have usage of an F. The rest of it isn't too bad. So let's go and see, what's going on with this. So we're going to go to the next screen, and it'll populate up, and it'll say, basically, let's go first to the credit history, and we're going to go down through, and here's accounts that they have. So this account is Bay Area. It's a collection account for $77, last reported in May of 2018. You can learn more about that account right there. This person, I'm not sure if they even knew what this credit card is for, or this collection account is from. Mortgages that are paid off in the past and such. So in this case, they really don't have enough credit overall to take this collection account. This collection is basically, it's saying you really don't have any current credit other than one collection account. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to actually find you a credit card that you'll most likely get approved for to help start building that credit to offset the one bad credit that you have. Credit usage, we're going to go over here. They really don't have any credit. Credit age is awesome. So here's a really cool thing about this system. I actually personally use this for this situation, and I could say I have rave reviews on it. Here's what I did is I had some credit card debt that I put onto a card to gain points. It was basically for my kids' college, books and things like that. So then I'm like, you know what? It's too hefty of a charge that I did. So I want to figure out a way on how I can move this to another account and hopefully, get a low interest rate. And in my case, I was able to get an 18-month free, no interest credit transfer credit card. So I went to this system and I saw, like in this case, this person would be eligible for this card. The approval odds is very good. So it's saying, you know what? Most likely you're going to get this card. Let's apply for it. Even though the rate is this, you're probably going to have a tough time getting approved for a loan because of your D and F ratings up here. So let's get that credit card, and let's now use it for some gas, some groceries, things like that. But get it paid off every month if you can. Hopefully you can. In this case, the person doesn't have any credit, so they're living off cash now, so they should be able to do that. So you're going to go in here and apply. Here is a weird situation, or an odd situation, and what happened to me. I went outside of this system, because I do personally use this system, and I went outside this system and searched for credit cards with 0% interest for 18 months. It then routed me to Discover. So I went into Discover and applied. For some unknown reason, I wasn't approved. And I can't figure out for the life of me till even today why I didn't get approved for that card. I went into this system, creditsesame.com. It recommended the Discover card, the exact style or the exact program credit card that I applied for. I clicked apply now. 2 minutes later, I got approved for a credit limit more than what I needed, and exceeded what I was requesting, and it was 0% interest for 18 months. So this system will do that for you. It'll help scan and give you, again, the approval odds of you getting approved for this card is very good. So click and apply. It'll also go to your credit mix. This person, again, doesn't have any credit. So we need to build this creditor, this client up. We need to build their credit up. This should be an easy fix. Get a credit card, use it a couple times, make a payment, and you're going to get a credit score, and that credit score is going to go up. I can't guarantee that for a fact, but I can almost say 99% certainty this person will get a higher credit score. Some of the cool benefits about this system as well is it will give you, and you could subscribe to a whole slew of other programs that they offer you. I don't, but a lot of people might. I have another system that I use for credit alerts and things like that, but this system will give you identity theft. It actually has an identity theft protections built into this. You get $50,000 for free. You don't even have to subscribe. So if you do anything is go into the system, learn a little bit about your credit, your Vantage score, get this free protection. If you need a credit card, or you need to build up some of your credit, you can go back to, like I walked you through previously. It'll give you it'll analyze your credit, and then it'll say, here's a credit card that you're very likely to get approved for. Here's a car loan, and it'll help you sort through. It'll seek out, credit cards and your best option for your credit profile, car loans, everything you can kind of think of in this system. It has it. Again, the free system is really good. If you want any of these bells or whistles, you can do that as well. And there is a lot here. It has educational tools. It has pretty much everything you need, a one-stop shop. So I hope you enjoy this video. I would recommend using Credit Sesame. I will give you a link below on how you get access directly to it. Subscribe. It'll take you 2-3 minutes to do that, and you'll be on your way. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can reach me at 630-338-1160. You can find me on the web at themortgageupdate.net. I also have a credit repair website. It is called creditscoresandmore.com. And if you want to email me, my email is pretty simple. It's Dan, D-A-N, .frio, F-R-I-O, @gmail.com. So thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Love to hear from you. And if you do use this system, please give me your feedback on what you think of it. Take care. God bless. Have a great day.